and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. I always want to make sure I get that out. It is. And we're kind of heading into spring and summer. So what are we making today?
We're just making a fruit salsa. So all kinds of things out there to make this with, but we're choosing pineapple and mango today.
Yum, sounds delicious.
A little tropical. Okay, so easy peasy. I mean, you could definitely do fresh on both of these, but these are ready to go. You know they're perfectly ripe, and we're going to chop in the food processor.
Okay.
And then we have all of our other ingredients ready to go.
Okay.
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
Okay, here we go. So this is the pineapple. Yep, and I'm going to turn on the food processor, make some noise.
All right.
Okay, so you just want to think about any other salsa you have ever had and the size of chunks that you would want that to be if you were going to eat it on a chip.
Okay.
Or beside a taco or whatever else you would eat salsa with.
So it doesn't have to be finely chopped.
It doesn't have to be.
It's kind of what you prefer.
Yeah, and like our tomatoes, they are kind of a medium dice, and that is perfect. And so now we're going to do the mango.
Okay, any particular tomato doesn't...
We're just using a vine ripened tomato, but you could use Roma. You could even use a canned tomato, and especially those roasted petite diced tomatoes. That would be an excellent choice too, because you get the extra flavor from the roasting. All right.
So if you're a little more time crunch for entertaining with the salsa, you could tweak it a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. We have some nice sized pieces of the mango now. Also going to go in there.
Smells very good. Very tropical.
Yes, very tropical.
We can pretend we're somewhere else in an island, or
That's right. We're our umbrella straws.
Exactly.
And so we have some red onion that we put in some lime juice.
Okay.
So you need a little extra acidity there. We have some fresh chopped jalapeno. We left the seeds in because it makes it a little bit spicier, but if you like it a little less spicy, then go ahead and take those seeds out.
Okay.
We have a little bit of garlic that's gonna go right in there. Yum.
Smells so good. Oh, you're throwing things around.
Flicking it at you, sorry.
You're totally fine. I was like, wow, it's coming at me. It's so good, I can't wait.
Okay, and then we have some chopped cilantro. And we also have some lime zest. So I used a microplane.
Okay.
And so you're just gonna lightly get only the green part of the skin or the rind, because that has all the flavorful oils. Try not to get the white, because the white is very bitter.
Okay.
So the zest and juice of one lime, and like I said, the onion already had lime juice on it, but we can do just a little bit more lime juice, and this is just going to get stirred together, and then you can try it on a chip. Wow, that is going everywhere too. Sorry about your clothes today.
It's totally fine. We're having fun. I love it. And does the fruit in the salsa, like, it's just a healthier option? Does it make a difference? People that are trying to make healthier choices?
Sure. This is just another way to interject some fruits and vegetables into your diet and to change up your jarred salsa.
I'm just going to get my chip ready, because I know where I get to go next. Be
ready.
I love it. It looks so good. This is perfect as we're heading into summer.
Right. Great for your cookouts.
Yeah,
yes.
Exactly. Anything like that. Oh,
yeah,
I've
so great with burritos and tacos, and obviously with your tortilla chips.
It is so good.
Oh, good.
I love it. This is perfect. It's got like that really fresh lime taste to it. Perfect for summer, any of the hot weather coming your way. Go ahead and check this out. Try this recipe. Any of the others, go to kjrh.com.